What's up guys, it's Mike back with another video, and today we've got another unboxing. This is the Blue Yeti Snowball Black Ice. Now this is an entry-level mic because I haven't used one on a computer before, but we're gonna unbox it today, and I'm actually gonna be using it to voice record over this whole video. So let me know in the comments below how it sounds. And right now we're just kind of taking a look at the box itself, and then we'll get into it. Okay, so we're gonna open up the box right now, and up top you can kind of see the mic, and then on the bottom you get the little box of accessories, which we will go over in a minute, and then you can kind of see the mic right now, which we'll get to in a sec. Okay, so first up we have the manual, and then we also have a couple other little pieces of paper. Next up is the tripod, which I wish was a little bit bigger or maybe telescopic to where you can raise it, just because it's a tad bit too small. Okay, now we're getting to the mic itself, and it looks pretty sleek with that nice like black and kind of silverish look. You've got a tripod mount at the bottom. You also have a USB port in the back so you can hook it up to the computer, but I like it. It looks pretty sleek, looks pretty good. Okay, so the last thing in the box is the USB cable itself. It's actually a decent size length, a little bit longer than what I actually need for my usage, but it's still nice to have. Now that we have unboxed this, let's go ahead and set it up, and that is incredibly easy. First off, we'll take the mic, screw the tripod mount into the bottom of the mic, then we'll grab our USB cord, we'll plug the one side into the back of the mic, and then the other side into your computer. Now you may need an adapter because this is a USB-A cord, and most newer Macs, if you're using a Mac, are gonna only have USB-Cs, which is what I'm using. So I have a dongle for mine that has a bunch of different ports because I also use it with an iPad. Now, I think you can pick up a USB-A to USB-C adapter from Apple pretty cheap, or you can find some cheaper ones online. I'm not sure of pricing on that, but once you plug it in, it's pretty much ready to go. Again, I'm not using any filters or anything on this, so I'll have to do a little bit more research to hopefully make it sound better, because I know you can get software, or I think even in Final Cut, what I'm using, I can find filters or I can mess with it, but I need to learn more. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. And oh, again, comment below, let me know how this sounds, if it sounds good. I assume it's gonna sound better than my previous videos using just the Rode, because I don't think I have that set up right some of the times, or I'm not as close, so it might not sound as good. But let me know what you think of this, if this is an improvement, worse, if I need to work on it still, just let me know, and I'll see you guys later.